Hello and welcome back to the life of an engineering student. I actually made a video like a few weeks ago and never posted it. I didn't get to it. That's my bad. Now I'm back to it. So we're gonna see how this goes, honestly. I hope I can keep the consistency. Not just for people watching if they're interested for some reason, but for myself. I wanna keep documenting so I can remember this. But, some updates. We are in week 7, I think, right? Something like that, within the semester. It is terrible. It's heinous. I mean, it is what it is, but it's just a lot of work. Who would have guessed? But other than that, it's not so bad. My study habits have definitely gotten better since the beginning of the semester, so I'm able to like keep things up a lot more. And then also, I actually have a job that's coming up in, I'd say, let's see, 4 days. Wow, 4 days, that's crazy. So we're gonna see if that can be something that goes on for a while, hopefully. I mean, the pay is pretty good, so yeah, we'll see. But previously, I actually went to a career fair that my school holds, I think, twice a year. One for the first semester and the other one for the second. And I think it went pretty well. I updated my resume a bit, talked to a lot of people, although since I am a sophomore and I don't have too many projects, there wasn't really much for me to talk about with hands-on experience, but I do have a few things. And actually, I've gotten an Arduino kit just to start messing around with some electronics, but I'm hoping as I take circuit theory, I'll be able to get a better grasp of the concepts and kind of move on from there. And I have a few project ideas that I kind of want to do. It's just about figuring out how to do them because I'm kind of starting from zero and then taking the time to do so. So I gotta make sure I have free time between having my job and then doing schoolwork and then funding. Man, some of these projects can be expensive. You know, getting Raspberry Pis or Arduinos and the other electronics for it. But we'll get there. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. But I actually interviewed at a company the day after the career fair because they called me like an hour after it ended. And that went pretty well. Honestly, I got a free hat out of it, so couldn't have gone better. And they said that even if I don't get the internship or an answer for this semester, that I should check it out again the next one, especially when I have projects and more things I could talk about. So it was really good. The conversations were great. It was definitely more like a friend and friend talking kind of situation instead of like interview or interviewee. It was really nice. So man, it was hot wearing like the shorts, or not shorts, the pants, suit pants, everything, man. I don't like ties. Ties are so uncomfortable, but it is what it is. But that's essentially everything that's happening. I have some projects that I've done for school, and there's a lot of things going on. I definitely should study more for my tests than I have been. Yeah, that might be important. But second note, I got a star fruit. All right. I saw this at the grocery store nearby. I always wanted to try star fruit. I've seen it in so many different videos and stuff. Actually, the way I found out star fruit was a thing was because of Plants vs. Zombies. I used to play it on the Xbox 360, but Plants vs. Zombies, I saw the star fruit and I was like, man, that's crazy. I wonder if it's real. I never thought it was real until I saw the videos and I was like, wow, it's even crazy. Then I played Plants vs. Zombies Heroes on mobile. That game's terrible. But from what I'm told is you can eat it straight up like this, or you can trim the edges, cut off the ends, and then slice it into star shapes. So I'm gonna do that now, actually. And I'm gonna keep the video rolling because this is a documentary for myself, so you can skip forward if you want. This should not take long. And yeah, like I said, I've never had star fruit before. Somewhere to put this. But I love fruit. Ooh, there we go. But I love fruit, and I'm really excited to see how this goes. Like just a whole bowl of fruit compared to like a whole bowl of candy. Like man, so much better. Also, I know the last video was pretty blurry. Yeah, I was kind of experimenting with the camera, and it was kind of being all weird. So we'll figure that out later. Right now I'm just gonna use my phone. And I also know I'm wearing the same shirt from the other video. That was weeks ago. I promise I did my laundry. I've been wearing the shirt the entire time. Alright. Now all I know is how to prepare it. I'm assuming you just pop it in there and eat it. I don't want to see the rest of the videos or explanations. I don't want spoilers on how this is gonna taste. So I'm gonna give this a try. So, I don't know if that's right. Hold on. Maybe it's overripe. I don't know. It's it looks like a star. But man, you'd think this would taste better than what I'm looking at. Like, it tastes like a grassy apple, but it's pretty refreshing. Honestly, I'd probably give this I'd say 5 is pretty neutral. It's kind of bitter, but it's also kind of refreshing. It's not bad. I guess 5 is fine. Yeah, they kind of out. Yeah, I'd give it a 5, but I think I'll need to retry the fruit again. Maybe have someone that knows what a good star fruit tastes like. Because I'm kind of disappointed. It looks so good in all the videos that I've seen before. But yeah, maybe I'm just ignorant to the beautiful taste of this. Now it's enough of that. But I'm glad I at least tried it. I've been wanting to do it for a long time. I just thought I'd chip my tooth real good. But essentially that's just the update. I had that career fair. I had a lot of things going. I actually finished a 1,312 word essay in an hour and a half as I was learning the content while doing it. That was terrible, but we got it. We got it. Yeah, I mean, that's it. Things can be hectic right now, but I'm also a sophomore, so I don't really have any advice to give to the engineering students at the moment. But hopefully I can be able to build those experiences and kind of share with others and get a good idea of what's a good way to prepare for things. And the only thing I can say is, like, you need to be ready to transition into college. Like, it's so difficult at first. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. But other than that, I mean, it's not too bad. Yeah, I think that's really it for now. I mean, if I have more updates, then I'll just write it down, so I'm going to talk about it next time.